Now, this illustration deals with outdoor installations in accordance with NEC 110.31C, and the equipment is totally enclosed except for ventilating openings. The qualified person is defined in Article 100 of the NEC, which basically says the worker knows it's a totally enclosed piece of equipment. He realizes what the equipment operates and the job it's supposed to perform. He knows all the hazards that are involved with the equipment. The individual knows how to avoid those hazards, so he's attempting to clean the ventilating openings so they can ventilate heat properly. But they are ventilating openings that are on energized, totally enclosed electrical equipment. So this individual is just cleaning the ventilating openings to make sure that it will ventilate properly, but he's doing everything in accordance with 110.31C for outdoor installations, also applications of NFPA 70B for ventilating openings, as well as NFPA 70E. So he is not gaining and working around the energized components. He's just performing good housekeeping on the ventilating openings.